Welcome to our tutorial on the Pi command in Splunk search processing language. The Pi command provides access to the mathematical constant pi, which equals 3.14159 and continues infinitely. This constant is essential for geometric calculations and appears frequently in mathematical formulas involving circles, spheres, and trigonometric functions. In Splunk, the Pi command allows you to incorporate this fundamental mathematical constant directly into your search queries and data analysis operations. The syntax for the Pi command is remarkably simple. You use pi followed by opening and closing parentheses with no arguments inside. The command returns the precise value of the mathematical constant pi. This function can be used within eval statements to perform calculations that require the pi constant. The parentheses are required even though no parameters are passed to the function. Here's a practical example of using the Pi command to calculate the area of a circle. First, we set a radius value of 5 using the eval command. Then we calculate the area using the standard mathematical formula, pi times radius squared. In this case, we multiply pi function result by radius times radius. This demonstrates how the Pi command integrates seamlessly with other mathematical operations in Splunk search processing language. The Pi command becomes particularly powerful when combined with trigonometric functions. In this example, we convert degrees to radians by multiplying the angle in degrees by pi and dividing by 180. This conversion is necessary because Splunk's trigonometric functions like sine and cosine expect input values in radians rather than degrees. Once we have the angle in radians, we can calculate sine and cosine values using the converted angle. Let's explore a real-world application calculating storage tank volumes. For a cylindrical tank, we use pi times radius squared times height. For a spherical component, we calculate 4/3 times pi times radius cubed using the power function. Finally, we add both volumes to get the total capacity. This example shows how the Pi command enables complex engineering calculations directly within Splunk, making it valuable for industrial data analysis and capacity planning. To summarize our exploration of the Pi command, the pi function returns the mathematical constant pi without requiring any parameters. It's essential for geometric calculations in search processing language. You can combine it with trigonometric functions for advanced mathematical operations. The Pi command is perfect for engineering and scientific data analysis where precise mathematical constants are crucial for accurate calculations and meaningful insights. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.